In this video, we're going to be taking an in-depth look at the match betting website Team Profit, checking out what they have to offer, and then asking the question, is it really free? Hi, welcome back to the channel. For those of you new here, my name's Chris, and my main goal with this channel is to help as many people as possible make more money each month through match betting. I've got a few groups now which you can join for completely free, as well as a paid group which is over on Patreon, which is just for that extra next level step for those of you that are ready for more advanced strategies and want extra help to make even more money each month with match betting. Of course, as usual, I'll leave links to those down in the description. So getting on the laptop then, we can see here, this is just the main page of Team Profit. And I really wanted to make this video because I've had a few comments recently and people asking me, why don't I ever talk about Team Profit? I even said it, someone even asked, is it because I don't earn any money by talking about them? And just to sort of put that question to bed, no, I don't talk about Team Profit because I'm not making any money from recommending them. I recommend just the very best products to people on my channel, and that's purely because I want to build a reputation of only when you watch videos on the Profit Boss channel, you'll only get the very best from me. So there's products that I've found to do with the match betting niche and sort of, you know, everything to do with match betting that I've found that I could recommend here on the channel, but I don't, purely because it's not something that I would use myself, and I don't really think that it's the best option. So that's why you'll only get the best from me. It's whatever I recommend, it's things that I would A, use myself, and B, is it a really great product that's going to genuinely help people. But that's enough of addressing the sort of hater comments I get occasionally on the channel. Let's take a look at the website here. So teamprofit.com. Make money online in 3 simple steps, which is fantastic. It's really great that it's another site set up to help people with match betting. Join the UK's most popular free match betting service and start profiting today. And then, of course, you can just click Start Free and join up. So let's go ahead and look at the new starter tutorials and just have a look through those. So in order to get access to that, you do need to put your name and email address in. So firstly, then it's not exactly completely free because you got to provide them with some information. And then, of course, once you've given them your name and email address, they're going to do something called email marketing. And for those of you that aren't too sure about what email marketing is, it's just as simple as it sounds. It's basically where companies will offer you something for free, and then in return you need to give them your email address or contact details, and then they're going to target you with things that cost money. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with that, but that's just what's going on here. So that's part of how it's not free. But I'm just going to enter my details in now, and then we can get access to this and start having a look through everything here. Okay, so we've got a fantastic, this is a really, really good sort of video guides here. So there's like 8 steps of videos, short videos explaining everything. And that's really good. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Really, really well presented. So then you go ahead and you click on Start My First Offer. So we'll just move on to the next thing there. And then that just brings you over to the welcome offers list. So they kind of now know at this point, you've watched the video series, you know what you're doing with match betting. So we can then see that all the opening offers here. So yeah, just the basic sort of, you know, offers here with different bookmakers. As you can see there, absolutely fine, nothing wrong with that. You know, guides here. So let's just click on one of the guides, for example. Let's go on to Smarkets here. So check out the guide for that. And then it's got a sort of time estimated to do the offer, profit that you're going to be able to make on it, estimated profit. And yeah, that's fantastic. And then it's got step 1, step 2, and a breakdown of what you can do. And then you can mark it as complete there to sort of say that you've finished doing that offer. So yes, Team Profit is free. As you can see here, we have completely free things here. But then as you get down into it and you get further and further into it and you've done more offers, now you can actually see something called, so let me just find it. So there's something here called the Offer Matcher, and then there's also Team Casino. So we'll go ahead and click on Offer Matcher first. And there's just a bit of a page here explaining on what it is. So yeah, as we go through it. And then as you can see, it says sign up to the Offer Matcher, £1 for 7 days. So let's go ahead and click on that. So then we've got a page here which is start my £1 trial. And once you finish that 7-day trial for this members only offer matcher, where they're just basically going to give you offers here, which you would get included in the OddsMonkey sign up anyway. But there's things here which it's £10 a month, and then if we go back and we click on the very next thing, they then have something called Team Casino. So I'll go ahead and click on that, and that's just yet again something else which is £1 trial for 10 days, and then you can click on Start My Trial. And then as it says here, so £1 for 10 days, and then it's $14.99 a month. So when you actually add those up, so because this video is all about sort of explaining Team Profit and is it really free and everything like that. So yes, it is free up to a point where they're going to give you some welcome offer guides. And like I say, it's really great that it's just another website helping people make profit through match betting. But then actually you're going to have something that's £10 a month for their offers to send you, and then £15 a month for the casino, which is of course £25 a month in total for their service. As far as I can see on their main site, for the £25 a month, they don't have any advanced tools, so you click on calculator here at the top, and that's literally it. That's all you get as a tool. And there's going to be a full series that I'm going to be doing on OddsMonkey versus Team Profit. It'll be a 5-video series comparing different aspects of each website and comparing the two, just so I can sort of make everyone's minds at ease with people keep commenting saying, oh, why don't you talk about Team Profit, like I said. And yeah, I'm just going to compare the two, and you'll really be able to see which one is better out of OddsMonkey or Team Profit. So as usual, thank you very much for watching then, and I'll see you in the next one.